Hey guys, got something I want to talk to you about. We've been getting a lot of phone calls, a lot of emails. It's actually been going on for several years, but this year, man, it's been bad. Getting a lot of China knockoffs. Not just, we've had all the VU4s from Acura getting knocked off. We've had airlift 3P style systems being knocked off. Our switch boxes, AVS switch boxes, have been knocked off several times. And it's all these China companies. They're making these things just hella cheap, but you're going to get what you pay for. You got to remember something, guys. These things are being made by people that have no idea what they're even for. They don't know what the hell air ride is. They don't know what you're going to be using it on. They don't care. Unlike us, when we're putting stuff together, we're just like you guys. We're riding these cars. We're riding these trucks. We take pride in what we do. They don't. So again, you're going to get what you pay for. Everything's built on the cheap. We're not about that. Some of our stuff, again, is built around the world. Some of our parts, components. Let me get that straight. Components of a part may be made in China, but final assembly and testing is done right here, Fresno, California, in the good old US of A. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take you inside here because one of the newest things we've seen is our AVS valves, and I believe even our EVOLVE valves might have gotten knocked off. These guys are so brazen, they're even using our pictures off the web. So when you look at it, you'll be like, oh, that's the same picture AVS has on their website. You're not going to get that valve, trust me. Unless they're coming and buying them from the US and then shipping them to you from China, which is not going to happen. $100, $150 for a valve. It tells you something there. It's not legit. It's not genuine. If somebody you're buying it from in the US, whether it be an eBay customer, Amazon, shop you're not familiar with, but they're online and you're not sure if it's legit, call us. Give us a call. My guys know all of our distributors. They'll let you know, hey, you're going to be buying an authentic AVS part from that company. So like I said, give us a buzz if you're unsure, but let me take you inside and show you the truth that we do build our products here. Come on in. Oh man, come on, dude. You're not the right person to be in this video right now. Get back to work. Check it out. This is our valve manufacturing department. So whatever components we get in, we're gonna clean them up. We're gonna make sure they're up to par. We're gonna test everything. They're gonna go through different stations here and get put together. These are real, actual U.S. employees. You guys are U.S. citizens, correct?
Está loco.
Okay, just had to check. So again, all of our valves are built and tested in-house. Okay, so are our controllers. Just about everything we do, unless it's already sealed and packaged. Some of the stuff, again, may be coming from overseas, from various countries. But again, all the electronics, I don't trust anybody. We're going to do them right here. We're going to test them out, make sure you're going to get a good product.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Let's go! Keep running till I cross the line. Can't turn back on an uphill climb. I'm a Hail Mary in overtime. Are you ready? Are you ready?
All right, guys. So once again, if you're not sure if it's a genuine AVS product that you're going to order, your best bet, go to AVSONTHEWEB.com or airbagparts.com. Those are our two website addresses. You will get stuff directly from us, or again, call us, let us know where you're at, and we'll get you hooked up with a dealer in your area. Give us a holler at 559-486-5444. And don't forget, built in the US.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's go!